How to create a looping video in Sora AI. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'll show you how to create looping video in Sora AI, which is perfect for background scenes, wallpapers, relaxing clips, or social media content. So let's get started. First things first, launch open a web browser and type in sora.openai.com and search. Make sure that you are logged into your account as well, and once you're logged in, from the main Explore page of Sora AI, go ahead and get to the prompt box at the bottom of the screen and enter a prompt. Just go ahead and enter a prompt according to your preference in the text box. I'm just gonna open up one of my pre-generated media. I'm just gonna go ahead and edit this video over here. Now, if you want to loop a video, write down a prompt and generate a video. Once the video has been generated, click on the loop button at the bottom and select the section to loop. Now underneath, choose whether you'd want a normal loop, short loop, or long loop. Once you are done, click on loop and wait for a few seconds. Your loop video will be created in a while. You can create a looping video by entering the prompt, or you can also loop a video that has already been generated with Sora AI. Once the loop is completed, click it open and you'll be able to see the loop created. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.